joining Deloitte. I work at Deloitte. So in the first year, I thought, okay, this is just my first year. I'll let go. I'll prepare next year, and this kept on happening. And in the second and last year, I gave CAT, and it didn't happen. I joined other institutes, but I would lose motivation in between. They were not motivating enough for me to be persistent. And then I heard about Anand sir. In fact, I heard about him before, but I wasn't convinced enough. In fact, I heard about him last year, and my cousin used to study here, but I don't think the right time came, and then I didn't join him then. And now I seriously regret, why I didn't join him earlier. So one of my session was with a batch, that already started a month ago, and I was wondering how I would, cope and if I would understand. But in the first session itself, he managed to make an impact. And then, like Bala mentioned, he promised to give me backup sessions, and he stuck to his word. And some of the things that I like about him are, one, his passion. He loves mathematics so much that he can go to any extent to learn something. I don't know if, in fact, that's one thing that I've learned. If you really want to get somewhere in something, you should have that amount of passion and commitment. And when you like it, you'll go to any extent to do it. So that's one thing that I learned. Develop the passion and then the interest. Like Amir Khan says, success ke piche mat bhago, excellence ke piche bhago, interest, passion. So that's one thing that I learned from him. And the second thing is, he says, it's not just about, he even talks about life. And he says that even a normal person can become big. And he's a big example, and so is his brother. So I always think that I'm mediocre, but he somehow managed to create that spark in me that, okay, even I can scale up, even I can do something. I know it's been 2 years and I keep getting worried, but still there's some hope that he created within me that I can do something big, that I can get somewhere, and probably even I would want to be associated with this institute later on, if not soon, at least later on sometime.